Cold nights, no lights, we were holding on. Empty plates on the table, but you stayed strong. Wore the same dress, hid the pain in your eyes. Told us everything's okay, even through the lies. Neighbors talked, yeah, they said your name. Didn't know your struggle, didn't know your pain. You walked miles just to bring us bread. Carried all the weight, never bowed your head. You gave your life so we could dream. Through every storm you stood like a queen. Mama never let go, never let go. Even when the river ran dry and low, you were fighting in the dark alone, just to build us a brighter home. Mama never gave up, never gave in. Even when the world called it sin, you were breaking just to make us whole. Mama, you saved our souls. Oh. Mama, we thank you. Mama, we didn't see all the tears you cried, all the doors that slammed, all the nights outside. You made choices just to keep us fed. Put your dignity on the line instead. They threw stones, called you every name, but you carried us through the fire and flame. Now we stand 'cause you took the fall. You were the strongest of them all. Every scar is a story untold. Every sacrifice turned into gold. Mama never let go, never let go. Even when the river ran dry and low, you were fighting in the dark alone, just to build us a brighter home. Mama never gave up, never gave in. Even when the world called it sin, you were breaking just to make us whole. Mama, you saved our souls. Oh. Mama, we thank you. Mama, if love had a face, it would look like you. If grace had a name, it would sound like you. Every road that we walk today was paved by the tears you gave. Forgive us for the things we didn't see. Now we know what you had to be. Mama never let go, never let go. Through the storm, through the pain, through the cold, you were standing when hope was gone. Now we sing you this grateful song. Mama, you're our hero, don't you know? Every seed you planted will grow. Now we rise and we stand up tall. Mama, you gave us all. Mama, forever we go. Mama, Mama, forever we call.